umayos, hindi naman natin kailangan yung maraming bagay na ano. Basta simple lang at mag-unawan lang kayo na maayos, okay na yan. Salamat.
Yeah. Mommy!
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo, lalo na sa pamilya ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, at sa buong mga kaibigan ko. Ano ba? Mahaba to, kaya may kode ko ako. First, I would like to thank everyone again for attending this important day, the day of wedding of Joy and King. And congratulations mga anak, and pinapanalangin ko na sana tahakin nyo ng sabay at magkahawak kamay ang bagong buhay na inyong haharapin. Dasal ko na sana magkahawak ang kamay ninyo na harapin ang hamon ng buhay, may asawa. Walang sukuan. Andito lang si nanay para tulungan at gabayan kayo sa lahat ng oras. Magmahalan at habaan ng pasensya sa bawat isa. Para kay Joy, anak, maging mabuti kang asawa. Kay King, gabayan mo siya, ang iyong asawa sa araw-araw, at habaan mo ang pasensya kay Joy. Anak, maging mabuti kang asawa kay King. Gabayan mo siya sa araw-araw na dadating. Habaan mo ang pasensya sa kanya at pag-usapan kung anuman ang problema. Huwag maglihim sa isa't isa. Maging bukas ang puso at isipan sa lahat ng oras. Ikaw ang magiging ilaw at tatanglaw sa iyong asawa at sa iyong pamilya. Para naman kay King, unawain mo ang sumpong ng iyong asawa. Huwag mo siyang sasabayan para sa ikakatahimik ng inyong relasyon. Sundin ang iyong... Ako'y nanay na yan! Palagi kayong magbanding. And continue courting, dating, and loving each other. Basta may papayo ko lang, kayo lang dalawa magkakampi. Kasama si nanay. Yun lang. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Ikaw, King. Ayos. I love you both.
Palapakan po natin the parents of the bride with their message. Alam mo ba, last month pang ginagawa ng nanay mo yung message. Ito kailan? 3 months pala! Mas maiksi pala yung binanggit ko, nakarating sa akin. Eto rin, naghanda rin yata sila. Mensahe po ninyo sa lahat at para sa inyong dalawang anak. Sino po mauna? Si Mommy. Ikaw na lang daw. Sige po, Mommy. Gano'ng katagal, Mommy?
1 year.
1 year of making the message.
Good afternoon, everyone. Can you believe my little boy is grown up and getting hitched today? It feels like just yesterday when he was running around in diapers, and now he's about to form a family of his own. As a mom, I couldn't be happier for my son and Joy. Then they truly a match made in heaven from the first time I met Joy. I knew she was the one who could handle my son's crazy antics and love him unconditionally. I have to admit, I'm feeling mixed emotional today. On one hand, I'm super excited for the newlyweds and the incredible journey they're about to embark on. And on the other hand, I can't help but feel a little sentimental. Ayoko. It's a bittersweet moment seeing my baby boy all grown up and starting his own family. But today is about to celebrate love, right? And love is exactly what brought us all here today. And it's the love between two people who have chosen to spend their lives together. And it's a love that has brought our families closer and created new bonds that will last a lifetime. To my son and his beautiful wife, Joy, I want to give you some advice from my heart Always remember to laugh together, even in the toughest of times. Life can throw some crazy curveballs, but as long as you have each other's back and a sense of humor, you'll get through anything. Communication is the key. Talk each other, listen to each other, and never be afraid to express your feelings. It takes efforts from both sides to make it work. Always be willing to compromise, support each other's dream, and above all, love each other fiercely. And I need to cut it off. Congratulations, King, and best wishes, Joy, to my new daughter-in-law.
Alam pa ka naman pinatang sila. Nakapag si Daddy. And that is the same message na rin yata na gusto iparating ni Daddy, or do you want to add some?
Congratulations and best wishes. God bless.
Parehas kayo ng tatay mo, short but simple. Ano yun? Some on na yun. But again,